Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
So basically, I'm here outside at our hostel. So sorry about last night dahil hindi na nakapag-vlog about night market. So we are very tired because yesterday we came from our night shift work. So after work, we just pack up light and then grab some clothes. We straight here to Kenting, ride a train and bus. So today our day 2 of Kenting, we have plans to go to Nanwan. So Nanwan is basically the water activities is happen. So bali kasi mahabang shore siya dito sa Kenting, pero hindi lahat is safe na paliguan. So dito sa hostel namin, sa tapat niya, hindi talaga siya safe. So bali lumipat kami ng area, they call it Little Bay, 10 minutes walk here. So doon mas calm ang tubig, mas okay, and good thing is hindi maalat yung tubig at very relaxed, ang daming mga fun. So yan, right now, lalabas kami, we're going to have our breakfast. So, see ya! Yan ang labas ng aming hostel. So, look at this view. Ayan yung beach na sinasabi ko. Yan. Sinabi sa amin ng attendant here na yung beach na yan, ay hindi siya safe. So, kahapon tinry namin siyang puntahan. Yan, napakalakas ng hangin at napakalakas ng alon. So, yun nga, lumipat kami sa Little Bay para dun makapag-swimming at tampisap.
Hi, day 2. Morning. Breakfast. Walking. Matahimik. May mga katao-tao.
Tulog pa sila talaga.
Yes. So, we're having our breakfast at Family Mart.
Wala pang naghanap ng parang masarap
Ano ang pagkain sa Family Mart? Hotdog? May hotdog ba sila? Yung McDo medyo malayo din, pero ang daling lapit tingnan.
Kasi nga yung signage.
Oh. May bus talagang 8:30.
Wala talagang, ang aga pa talaga.
Look what we found here. A church. Oh, yan na. Stella Maris Catholic Church.
Tayo sa bus stop.
Look at the street. There is no people. Usually nag-open ang mga store here around 10 to 11 a.m. Walang traffic. Tulog pa sila talaga. It's 7 o'clock a.m. Ano si Kat? Sexy.
A few inches later.
Ayaw matanawin itong beach. Mainit. Grabe ang init-init. So, I hope may malaman. Stupid. Sunburn. Yeah. Coconut plant. Yung building sa katiri ka ng araw. The sun is so hot. So init. Ligo talaga yung gusto ko eh. Waiting for bus.
A few moments later.
speaking of Nanwan Beach, over there. So we decided not to go na kasi para sa naman ang pinuntahan namin sa Little Bay.
Paano masabi?
So nandito lahat kasi yung water activities. So kaya mas maingay siya, mas lively ang lugar. But the same as nung pinuntahan namin. So ayun, we're going home na.